Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of Telegram, and you will click here as you see. Then in this page, in this page here, we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix, or you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your